Hello, my name is Andrei B, and today I'm here with Vladislav Král. Vladislav is the Chief Operating Officer of OX POINT, and today we are talking about the parcel lockers they are operating and the software. So, hi Vladislav, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. So, good afternoon. Thank you for visiting us. I would like to speak about our product, our network, and our software which we have in OX POINT. The OX POINT is not only producer but also operator of network of parcel lockers. We are running network in Czech Republic. It's over 300 projects or installations, and this network is unique from that point of view. It's open, it's shared, and anyone, could be e-shop, it could be courier, it could be anyone, can connect to the network and use the lockers as a dedicated capacity or could be in a shared capacity.
This is exactly my first question. I don't trust parcel lock manufacturers who doesn't operate by themselves the lock network, and you do have your agnostic network here in Czech Republic, and you are running it with others, so you can transfer all the knowledge what you gather to the software, so that the other clients to whom you are selling hardware and software can get use out of that.
Yeah, exactly. I would say it's not complicated to produce the box. It's not too complicated to create the software for myself or for one customer, but it's completely different league to have more couriers and more clients within one environment because they interact between themselves. There could be shared issues across multiple clients and multiple carriers. So yes, this, I would say, discipline is bringing completely new set of problems which have to be solved via software, via systematically.
Yeah, I agree with you. I've seen so many ways that people are describing carrier-specific networks and agnostic networks. The only difference is that they are open networks, but this is not true in the sense that agnostic networks are so more higher demands for different kind of integration, for different kind of openness for new processes. You have to follow all different clients' processes. So you got it all. So you have built-in system. Most probably your software is cloud-based and based on microservices. Am I right?
Yeah, our platform, our software is built using the modern technologies. So it's 100% sit in cloud. Could be migrated to private cloud, could be in public cloud. It could be also developed in an on-prem solution if someone wants to have it in our data center. And as you said, because there are different customers or different clients, different companies using the network, so they have different needs, they have different processes, and we have to be able to flexible meet their requirements. So that's why we have to solve, for example, question about the reservations. So because different customer have different requirements for the reservation. Someone wants it immediately, someone wants to reserve it in future, and all this is creating the complexity in the software solution.
So and you have it all. You have different methods of reserving capacity, allocating capacity, and also pricing the capacity.
Exactly. So we have 4 types of reservations. I will not go through details, but could be, as I said, done immediately, in future. It could be waiting for future possibility to make the reservation, and it could have different pricing, right? So we also are able to have different pricing for different size of lockers, but also for different tiering of the reservation. So that's the key, I would say, advantage which could be used in such shared platform.
Talking about the software, then there is one more very important thing in parcel locker delivery, especially in networks, and this is sort of servicing and maintaining the network. If you have hundreds or thousands of lockers, you have to have a really good overview what's the health of the lockers, how they are doing, and usually something happens because this is mechanical things and electronic components. Something usually happens, and I've seen your software, and this is quite an advance. You have quite a good dashboard of monitoring your software your network through the software.
Exactly. So the whole software is a set of many applications. One of them is a call center. It's a software application for call center operator, right? And the operator can monitor not only hardware, but he is also able to solve the logistic problems which arise during the interaction between the client or end customer and the system. So he is able to remotely solve, not only open the locker and I don't know, help him to resend the PIN or something like this, but he's also able, for example, to interact with a vendor system, with the IT system, close correctly reservation, and so on and so on. So there are more tools which could be used to allow the call center operate the network remotely.
And this includes also the video feed. So you are real-time video from the locker, so the call center can not only see from the dashboard what is happening, but they can see online the situation in every locker.
Yes. So OX Point can be equipped with a CCTV camera with a data storage, and yes, operator can in real time stream from specific location or can go back and check what was the behavior of the customer in past.
Still, let's talk what a little bit different thing you are having. You are also operating the luggage locker in different locations, and I've been there in Prague railway station. This is really impressive. I really like the big screens you are having because people over 50 tend to have minus is eyesight, so having big screens is really plus for that, and it was really huge in installation. You are mastering also your software from that sense. So this is not only parcel locker delivery operating systems, but you are also having different kind of verticals built into your software.
Exactly. So our software is built as a platform which could be used for different use cases. Parcel lockers are one of them, and the luggage storage is another use case, which is again completely different business. In parcel lockers, you interact with one or two clients in one moment on one box, but in storage lockers you interact with hundreds of them, in the same moment. So the software is designed to be able to manage the logistic flow of people, keep the security, keep the safety between them, So we have to think about all these aspects which are invisible, from visitors or from clients, but are key for proper operation without any problem.
And this is not only the lockers. You have key lockers, you have different kind of rentals, and your platform is most probably ready for the future vertical services on top of that, whatever they might be.
Exactly. So customers can purchase just the platform and build their own application on the top of that, and can use just our platform and have own system, own front end, and use from their own application.
Okay, so this is sort of very open that customers can sort of fit this software into their ecosystem and can be integrated with other parts of that.
Exactly. It could be also connected to some different web services via API, so you can have your own reservation system in your web page, for example, and make the physical reservation in our box, in our cloud.
Great, Vladislav. Thank you for this interview. It was really nice talking to you, and I'm really impressed about the level of development you have been put into the hardware and both software.
Yeah, thank you very much for coming. Thank you.